Good afternoon, Josie. Please tell me about yourself and your work experience.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Josie Hidalga Perocho, 31-year-old, married, mother of 3 children. Age are 8-year-old, 5-year-old, and 3 years old. My husband worked as a computer technician. I am a high school graduate. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. And I am the second child of the family. I worked experience before in Malaysia for 1 month only and to a couple with 1 kid. Age is 3-month-old baby, and my duties are taking care of the baby and do house chores. I also experience work here in the Philippines as a domestic helper. 2 years to a couple with 2 kids. Age are 5-year-old, 1-year-old. My duties are taking care of the kids and do all house chores.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband, ma'am.
Do you have someone who will take care of your family if you work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep 10 in the evening and I wake up 5 in the morning.
Are you the one who does the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, ma'am.
In 1 week, how many times do you go to market?
Once a week, ma'am.
How do you describe yourself as a mother?
As a mother, I am very, as a mother, I will do my best to give my children the best future.
Are you a hands-on mom to your children?
Yes, ma'am. I am a hands-on mom to my children.
Are you an easygoing mom or a disciplinarian one?
I am a disciplinarian mother.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be very patient to the kid and I will talk to them slowly and polite manner.
In your previous work, how did you manage the children and what are you going to do if the kids are too playful so you can work smoothly?
I have managed my time to work and so that I can have time to work to play with the kids.
How would you describe your previous employer? Did they give you set of rules they like or don't like you to do, or it is up to your style?
My previous employer are very strict and sometimes they allow me to work on my own if I finish all my work.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing it.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa, telling lies, no, Papa, open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Thank you. Are your teeth natural or false teeth?
All natural, ma'am.
Thank you, Josie. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.